Hello. So you've just acquired some Asian food and need to use chopsticks. You read the instructions, you follow the instructions, but still you struggle. As a lifelong Asian, here's my number one tip for how to use chopsticks the right way. Hold them higher. Not down here, up here. Your fingers should be placed on the upper half, preferably as far away from the end that picks up food. If you hold them lower, you may find there's more stress on your fingers as they work to open the chopsticks wide enough to grab food. This could cause the top ends to bump into each other and prevent you from opening them. Also, the sticks could cross, which is bad. Holding them near the top prevents this. If you've ever used tongs to pick up food, the hinge is at the top. That's where your hand should be. This leaves more space at the lower half to grip food and to reach deep into bowls or takeout containers. Holding them higher also helps you prevent burns by keeping your hands further away from the heat when grabbing food from hot surfaces, such as hot pots or Korean barbecue. If you go to an Asian restaurant and watch Asians eat, notice how they hold their chopsticks. Or if you don't live near any Asians but have access to a Netflix password, watch Korean dramas and pay attention to how the characters hold their chopsticks. So now that you know how to hold chopsticks like an Asian, there's nothing stopping you from eating your favorite foods.